Hindi ako tulad nyo. Wait lang bata. Seryoso lang ako.
Ang sorry din na rin siya. Babae sino yun?
Ha? Gusto mo ano? Gusto mo ng ano? Sipa? Ano kabayo? Parang kabayo to.
Kaya mo yan yan.
Ay, Sarah.
Isn't it hard? Isn't it hard to do that?
No, it's easy. You go with the music.
Wala nang pass.
But the thing with the hands, I mean,
Practice.
go to yan.
Wala ang kwenta. Next time, ano, isang-isang.
I wish you luck. Yan.
Mamaya, isa pa pero isa pa lang yung Oo, takot na Pagsawa kayo, mga punyeta. Sarinig mo na pa.
Sino yung mabait?
No one.
Okay lang yan. Oh my God.
Well, it depends. You can get used to it.
Kaya ni Dayan yan.
This was so hard.
Umingiti lang para makalimutan. Nagmona yan. Nagmona yan. Nagmona yan. Ayun na.
Like funny. How many years of practice is it actually?
I don't know. I've been doing it for 2 months.
2 months.
He's been doing it for 8 months.